Wonderfros of the world, how is everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a vlog and I'm going to be building a shelf and then organizing all of my products on top of the shelf. Just because this has to do with hair storage, hair closet, whatever, I decided to film it, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. I have pretty much been, I don't know, what's the word? Neglectful, lazy, ridiculous when it comes to hair product storage. And I started collecting a lot of little piles of products all over the place. And so I had some piles in my bathroom, some piles on the floor, some piles in my room, and some piles in the studio, which is where I am right now. And so instead of having hair products in all these different little places, I need to have it all in one place and all organized so I can see it. Now, one of the reasons I tried not to have it all in one place is because, you know, y'all know I'm trying to move, okay? Move. So I don't want to keep investing in where I am because it's more so like save your money for where you're going kind of a thing. But this is driving me crazy and I'll just take the shelf with me if need be, or sell it and buy it on the other end. But right now, as far as organization, because I'm an organizing freak, I need things to be clear and clean and under control. So once again, we are in the studio, but this is the shelf that I got from Ollie's. It's super basic and I'm gonna be putting this together and then putting all of the hair products that I have on the shelf, so that, and this is just the stuff that's here in the studio that I put all here in the studio. I also have the 3 bins of stuff that you guys have seen in my bathroom. I want to rearrange that so I actually don't need as many bins, and once again, I just need it all in one place, all at one time. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Wow, these shelves are big. I am struggling. Did I open the wrong side? Oh my God. Oh, it is still not out of here. I am out of breath. What in the world? Oh my God. You know what it is? I'm trying to save the box. I can't save the box. That was kind of one of the most ridiculous things I've ever had to do in my entire life. Okay, so I took pictures of the directions with my phone so I can blow them up because you guys know I am blind AF. And this is what things are looking like. We have the directions here, all of the pieces that are necessary, and then we can start the construction. And everything seems simple enough. Got all of these pieces over here. Got the poles over here. The box is a goner. Okay, complete goner. And we got the shelves over here, and it is 5 of them all together. I feel like I'm gonna need some kind of thing to put on here so then products like don't fall off, you know what I mean? Whatever that like filling thing is. Sometimes these shelves will come with stuff like that, but these didn't specifically. So hopefully I'll just be able to put all of the products on there and they don't fall, because I don't really want to have to find filler things. But here we go. Hey guys, so it is a significant amount of time later because your girl needs to know how something ticks before she can put everything together. So I'm still not any farther than I was, I don't know, half an hour ago. I mean, I know I have an understanding, but it's not gonna look like I made very much progress. Anyway, here we are right now. Something with such basic instructions had me all the way confused, but We're still making progress. One thing I can say that helps the time go by is a playlist that I have. It is my Afrobeats playlist. I will link it down below in the description box. If you guys have either Apple Music or Spotify, then you can click along and listen with me. My friend Steven actually is the one who made this playlist. He is Nigerian music, I forget. I'll leave his Instagram down below in the description box as well. But if you guys are into Afro beats, I highly recommend, because music, you know, it just makes it feel like it's not taking as long, even though it really is. But I love this playlist. It's fire. He's awesome. And I mean, this will have you jamming all day, so highly recommend. But now back to the building. We will start at the top. Sometimes I do shuffle, but let's pick a random one. Why not?
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman, oh.
It's FAQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy. When you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up. You will turn me on, man, I play my song. You will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb.
Okay, fam, so this is what we're looking like. The shelf is as complete as it's gonna be, because this was a lot harder than I thought. I wanted all of the shelves to be level, and in order to get things level, these pieces up under here that the shelves are resting on have to be at the same notches. And for whatever reason, the notches didn't line up on all four corners. So I don't know what it was. Maybe it's me, maybe the room is slightly tilted, maybe the stars in the universe did not align, but I struggled a lot. And this is the final result. I don't really want to move anything, but I think I did a decent job, okay? This is, the bottom is kind of big. Down here, this middle one here is like kind of really big. And then this one at the top is kind of skinny. And then obviously I can put stuff all the way at the top. But yeah, this is the whole shelf. So now I can actually get to organizing. I did not realize how much energy that was gonna take. But it's over now, and I am actually going to put stuff on the shelf. So back to some more Afro beats, and I'm gonna organize things based off of, one, getting them off the floor and just out the way, but also two, what I use on a regular basis, things that should stay in the bathroom and that I can just like grab and use, things that, you know, I put in my shower and like leave there on a regular basis, or things that I don't reach for often but I still want to have access to, and all of that, because your girl gotta get organized. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing now. I actually might have to write this down, so this might be a minute too. Hey guys, so this might actually take a little bit longer than I thought. You saw me try and put the actual on a shelf, and the holes basically are too large for the products. Like they would go one way or the other. So I have to actually put something on the shelves to get everything to stabilize. And I have some paper. Shout out to mom, because she had some paper and lots of rolls of it. And it's actually really pretty. It's like this gray marble, but it was all rolled up. And so I unrolled it, and basically I'm gonna have to do 2 cutouts for each shelf over there. And right now I just unrolled it and am trying to make sure that there are no curves in it, just because it's gonna be harder to cut, but also harder to keep on the actual shelves themselves. So yeah, this is looking kind of ridiculous. But I actually I think this should be enough. Okay, this should be enough. I don't want to have to unroll another one. I think there's like 3 or 4 more rolls downstairs. It's fine, but I have to put something on these shelves because otherwise the whole shelf would be completely unfunctional if the products don't actually stay on there, which is trash. So this should work. It's actually peel and stick, but I don't need to peel and stick it on there. I don't even think it would stick very well. And you know, I just don't have to do all of that. I would rather the extra support from the peel thing, the extra peel paper. Anyway, this is pretty thick. It's pretty durable, I'd say. And it should stabilize products. I mean, it's not like they're 153 pounds. So yeah, I don't know how long this is gonna take. Hopefully not too long to get it unstretched, but if it does end up taking a while, then I'll just come back and finish tomorrow, my love, and get everything cut out and start putting the products on the shelves. Because, you know, whenever you start projects, they always take longer than what you think. You're like, oh, I could get this done in a day. Amateur talking here, because sometimes, you know, you really can't. You really just can't. So yeah, waiting for this to unroll and stay unrolled, and then we'll pick it back up whenever that happens. What's up, Wonderfros? It is definitely day 2. I did not finish everything last night, and I just finished doing the cutouts for the shelves, and it just it took way longer than I thought, but we are finished. This is what things are looking like. Here we go. And once again, it's the peel and stick tapey stuff that you normally put in drawers. But because I am not actually peeling and sticking, I am leaving it to the sticky part on the bottom. It's like a little bit thicker. And so that is what I am using to stabilize the products when they go on the shelf. Now, all the way at the top, I'm probably gonna put things that I don't reach for all the time because it's hard for me to get up here. And up here it's 3 strips. It's kind of like the leftover strips of what I cut out from these ones here. So this is 1 solid piece. The other ones are 1 solid piece. Actually, the one at the bottom is like scraps from a project before, but the other ones are solid pieces except for the top. The top is just leftover because we don't want to waste anything, but I also don't need that shelf to look super cute because I'm not going to see it anyway, and it's probably stuff that I'm not going to reach for very often. So now that all the paper is flattened out, darling, and we have products on products, I'm actually going to organize what I want and where, because it's going to be based off of what I reach for and what I need to see on a regular basis in order for me to, you know, be efficient. Now, it is hot AF in here, so I'm about to go take a break and feed my cat because Raven has been looking at me crazy. But after that, I'm gonna come back and definitely get this show on the road because I can't keep looking at this stuff. I'm not going to, okay? We're not gonna keep going like this. Amen. Amen.
Man, a James Bond, me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.
Hey guys, so I am finished for today, as finished as I'm going to be for this video, quite honestly, because I still have plenty of things to unload onto this shelf, and I'll show you guys what things are looking like right now. We got Adjoa and Oribe at the top, Mish and Natural Club, Kiss and Afro Sheen, and some randoms at the bottom, but still products I'm going to try for sure. And I quite honestly, like, there's spacing on the shelf right now, but I know I need to push some stuff back and like bring some things to the front, and also unload that 3 drawer thingy in my bathroom. I have 3 drawer plastic bin things, and I have 3 of those. Actually, yeah, I have 3 of those, and I have some more in the closet. So anyway, I gotta unload, I gotta unpack some more. I still have this bin here. This is what all the PR boxes are looking like. Definitely gonna discard those and just freeing up space. I'm happy that things look like this. and no longer like this little PRs stacked up everywhere. So yeah, I am going to end the video here. I'm gonna end the vlog here, me rearranging and like teaching things around on the shelf and, you know, getting it exactly how I wanted based off the date, how much I used it, what I grabbed for more often, you know, conditioners over here, shampoos over there. Like, I still need to like break down all of the organization, and right now I don't have that in my head. I just knew I wanted to get rid of the little piles of PR boxes and whatever sitting around my room and the bathroom and the studio. So now it's all in one place, and yeah, we have accomplished at least that much today. But like I said, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I think maybe I'll show you guys on Instagram what things look like finally, and y'all can just check there. But for now, things look pretty good. I think things came out pretty good. But yeah, lots of unutilized space and trust me, hunty, it will get all the way filled up quick as soon as I empty out them drawers. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, okay? If you did, have to remember to keep looking at the lens. If you did enjoy this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.